So now let's see that what has to be taught to the student. You can click on new, and here you can select any of the base plate. Let's say that I'm going to select this classic base plate, and when I click on this classic base plate, I get to have this kind of screen. So with your mouse you can keep on pressing the things. So basic first task is to let the student be completely comfortable with the blocks and everything. So we are in the trial class usually gonna play with parts. So here there are a lot of things, right? Let's only add a block here. So if I want this block, right now the block is far away. So here you can see there is select, move, scale, and rotate. So we are going to use something like this. So when I click on select, that means I can select the whole block and make it move here and there. Now this is the one. So when I click on move, now see, we are going to do the 3D designing. Usually we have x axis or y axis, but now here we have the three axes, as you can see on this graph: x, y, and z. So x is represented as red color, y is represented as green color, and z is represented as a blue color. So if I scale it, see, I have to move it to the right, I can move it with the red arrows. If I want to lift any object up, I can lift it using the one. And if I want the object to come closer or farther to me, so I can use the this blue part to do. Talks about scaling. In scaling also the dimensions are same. Suppose if I want to increase the size of the object, so I can stretch the red point to increase the x part. From x part I can increase the y and z. So this is how the blocks look like to us. Now suppose now I want the block to rotate. So here is a rotate option. Now see, first let me lift it up in the air. Right now when I go to the root, when I select this object and rotate, now see, we also get here this one. So z represents the rotation like this, right? Y represents the rotation of the x axis, y axis, sorry, and z represents, x represents this green one with the red part. So this we have to tell to the student, and we have to ask the student in the stars that they open a Roblox and get the prop, go to the parts, and can try create a block and try out the following things.